Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yashasvi and I'm back with another video. I recently realized that I never sat down and had a talk with you all like an interactive session. So I thought, you know what, let's just do it. And I have been getting a lot of questions from my audience about what do I do apart from YouTube and what's my profession and how did I started my YouTube channel, why did I do it, etc, etc. So in this video I will be covering almost all of your questions and I'll try to answer all of them. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So the first question is from Nipunya. She says, much love from Kerala and tell about your family. We are so excited to know. So thank you so much for sending love. And about my family, I live with my parents and my younger brother and my grandma. She also asked how you selected the name Simba for your cute cat. I am a big cat lover. You must have watched the movie The Lion King, and my cat looks similar to Simba in that movie, so we thought of giving him this name. So I hope you got the answer. Next is from Red Chili 26. No questions, sister, but want to say that I'm very much inspired by your portrait shots. I love you and your pictures. Thank you so much. Next, she also says much love from Mangalore. Thank you so much. Next we have Veer De Silva. I hope I pronounced it correctly. What's your profession? I really like your lifestyle. Thank you so much. Most of you who don't know that I am also an interior designer and I completed my bachelor's degree from Pune. Krishu Pujari, a list of presets from different apps you often use for your pictures. So for this I have uploaded 2 or 3 videos on how to edit my pictures. So you can visit my channel and it might help you. I am 18 years old and you? I will turn 24 this month. The Pretty Soul, your favorite color? I don't have a favorite color. I mean, it depends on my mood. Next we have It's Vidhi. Which app do you use for editing? I deliberately want to know. Please do reply. Lots of love. Again, watch my YouTube videos for that. Your hair secret, please. I don't have a secret for my hair. You can see it's all dry. I just wash it before I shoot my videos and it helps. It's Kiwi. She asked me how many tattoos do I have. I have 2 tattoos. One is this one. I got this made 4 or 5 years ago, I guess. And another tattoo I have is at my back. I will insert the picture here. So yeah, that's the 2 tattoos that I have. I am planning to get more soon. Please, can you tell about your boyfriend? Next question we have is from 01 Youngster. How old are you and what are you doing in terms of studies? Why are people so obsessed with my age? What are you doing in terms of studies? I am a graduate. Next question is from Ahimsa Mohanty. I am Ahimsa from Bhubaneswar. Hope you are doing alright. I just love your post and photography sense. Thank you. Atulya Prakash says hi. Hi. Dhrumil asked, घूमने का प्लान कब है? जब तू बोल मैं रेडी हूँ. Dee, can you please do a retro photoshoot video? Sure. Next question is from Shahiru. Which mobile you are using? I use Redmi Note 5 Pro. त्रैलोक्य asked, जब भी गिव अवे करेगी मेरे को याद रखना उसमें. जी बिल्कुल. You have boyfriend? Don't ask such questions. Nipunya again asked if God have given you a chance to fly, where would you go first? I would like to go to Bali, Maldives, Goa, Pondicherry, and many more places. Next question is from the Dazzle Girl. Which is memorable moment in your life? My school memories are so close to my heart. Mostly class 11th and 12th. I had a lot of fun, and I would do a separate video where I will be sharing you my memories from class 11th and 12th and everything. Most embarrassing picture. I will need to search and I will insert the picture here. It's not a question, it's a compliment from Nidhi. आप अत्यंत pretty लग रहे. Thank you. Sneha says, how did you learn editing? Your edits are fab, photos and videos both. I learned everything from YouTube. It's like you type anything and you get the answer. I learned my editing, photo editing from YouTube too. I didn't know how to edit the videos until learning it was the only choice that I had left with. Oops, Jaya asked some special presets of yours. I only have one preset which is available in my previous YouTube videos. So watch it if you want to have it. From which app you edit your YouTube videos, especially that stars intro? I edit my YouTube videos in Premiere Pro. Instagram story filters that you use these days with name, Xmoody, etc. Again, I have shared everything on my YouTube videos. How do I edit my Instagram pictures? How do I edit my Instagram post? Just watch my previous videos. Again, Nipunya asked if you got stuck in the elevator and was forced to listen to only one song, which would it be? It would be Photograph from Ed Sheeran. Which phone you use for photography? Redmi Note 5 Pro, and sometimes I use my brother's phone, which is Samsung Galaxy M31. Mostly Cute asked current job. I am currently doing an internship in interior designing. Which phone you use to shoot your videos? Why you started your channel? Who is your inspiration? When you started your channel? I use Redmi Note 5 Pro. Why you started your channel? Because I wanted to. Who is your inspiration? I'd say Larissa, Kritika Khurana and Komal Pandey. When you started your channel? I started my channel 2.5 years ago. Nishita Dhingra, how many subscribers did you got on your first YouTube video and what kept you motivated to make more? I don't remember because it was 2.5 years ago, but I think I got 100 or 150 subscribers. And what kept you motivated to make more? That time I didn't have much knowledge of YouTube, so I was not consistent and I didn't make many videos. But after I'd say 1 or 1.5 years, I started to make more videos, and from past 2 or 3 months I was consistent like never before, and I can see the results. जो 2.5 साल में नहीं कर पाए वो 2 महीने कंसिस्टेंट रहकर किया मैंने, and I am proud of myself for that. So yeah. What's your favorite dress code? It's Bohemian style. Neeta Thakkar asked, what's your age? Again, I will turn 24 this month. Why are people so obsessed with my age? I have got more than 10 questions regarding my age. And okay, which phone or camera you use to shoot photos and videos? I shoot all of my photos and videos in this phone, Redmi Note 5 Pro. I don't have a camera because इतना बजट नहीं है मेरा. जब होगा तब ले लूँगी और अपडेट भी कर दूँगी. Shalini asked, who inspired you to start a YouTube channel regarding photography Or why did you choose a topic photo shoot for creating a YouTube channel? Love you from Kerala. Thank you so much. I don't only post photo shoot videos on my YouTube, but who inspired you to start a channel? Myself. I used to click most of my pictures on my own, that's on my Instagram, and one of my friend's sister asked me to make a detailed video on how do I click my own pictures at home, so I decided to do it, and it turned out to be the most viewed video on my YouTube, so I am glad that I did that. And if you haven't watched it yet, do watch it. Next question is from Shri. She asked, as we can call you a YouTuber officially, what are your views on YouTube versus TikTok battle, content wise and all over? Why would you ask me that question? But I would say, as a YouTuber, I would say, मतलब ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है बोलने को, इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वो दोनों ही अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म हैं. आई पर्सनली नेवर गॉट इन्वॉल्व इन दैट बैटल. लाइक आई हैव नेवर टेकन साइड ऑफ यूट्यूब और टिकटॉक बिकॉज they are a separate platform, and if people are happy making TikTok videos, let them do it, and if you are happy making YouTube videos, do it. My life motto is खुश रहो रहने दो. So I don't want to say much about this topic. Next, Mimi Myra says, nice teeth. Thank you. Atulya Prakash, what is the secret of your beauty? Prakriti ka sparsh. Just kidding. It's all about filters. Malik Saika says, tell about your YouTube journey, how to achieve success, how you so happening person. Thank you for asking this question. My YouTube journey started 2 years ago, and I wasn't consistent enough, honestly, and that's the worst thing that I did to myself, because if I had been consistent for 2.5 years, I would have achieved so many things by now. But since the lockdown started, I started being consistent, and I almost post 2 videos or 3 videos per week, which really helped me a lot. And I would say that consistency is the only key to your success. If you want to achieve something, you have to be consistent enough, you have to be regular, have to do the hard work that is needed to achieve your goals. And yeah, that's the advice I can give you. How you so happening person? Honestly, I am not that happening person as I seem to be on social media. I have my lows, and there are times that I don't want to do anything, I don't talk to anyone. It's just that I have a very supporting family and friends, which I am really grateful for. So that's the thing that's keeping me sane. Red Chili says, Didu, you are the best, my all-time favorite. Thank you. Aishwarya asked your height. My height, it's 5'2" or 5'3". I guess I don't know what's my height. The Dazzler girl asked, what's my favorite movie? It's Me Before You. This movie, you have to watch this movie. You can't watch it without crying. It's just my most favorite movie of all time. She also asked, what's your favorite pastime activities? So when I'm free, I try to create artworks. Like you can see this wall art. I painted it on my own in my room, and there are so many artworks that I did in my home. If you want to see, just let me know. I will show you in my other videos. So yeah. What's your age again? I want मैं नहीं बताऊंगी तुझे. So that was it for today. I hope you got your answers and कुछ questions अगर रह गए होंगे तो I'm really sorry. Please comment down if you have any more questions to ask. I would cover it in my next Q&A video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.